In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time with GetFormly. To get started, open your browser, go to the GetFormly website, and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, select Create Form. This is where the time-saving part really begins because instead of building everything from scratch, you can choose the fastest available form creation option. If the AI form builder is available, go ahead and select it. This option is especially useful when you already know what kind of form you need, but you don't want to spend time manually adding every single question one by one. Just enter a short description of the form you want to create. For example, you could type something like, create a customer feedback form with questions about experience, satisfaction, and suggestions. Then submit that description, and let Formly generate the initial version for you. Once the form appears, take a moment to review the AI-generated questions carefully. Remove anything unnecessary, edit wording that feels unclear, and add any missing questions so the form matches your exact goal. If you want to try GetFormly for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Next, use the plus option to add or change questions as needed. Choose the right question type for each one, such as short text, long text, email, multiple choice, drop down, or rating. As a general tip, keep questions short and easy to answer, because that usually leads to better completion rates. For important fields, select the question and enable the required option where needed. Just be careful not to make every field required, since that can slow respondents down and make the form feel harder to complete. You can also add conditional logic to make the experience faster and more relevant. Select a question that determines what should happen next, then create a simple branch. For example, if someone selects yes, you can show a follow-up question, and if they select no, you can skip it. This helps respondents only see questions that apply to them. After that, open the design or customization section. Choose a suitable layout or theme, add branding like a logo if needed, and adjust the colors to fit your business or project. Keep the design simple so you don't spend more time styling the form than creating it. Now add a short welcome message that explains what the form is for and what people can expect. Then customize the thank you screen with a simple confirmation message so respondents know their submission was successful. Before publishing, click preview and complete the form from beginning to end. Check the wording, formatting, required fields, and conditional logic. Then make any quick edits. Submit a sample response, go back to the dashboard, open the results section, and confirm the test submission was recorded. Once everything looks good, click publish and copy the form URL so you can share it with customers, clients, employees, or any other respondents. Finally, open the published form, scroll through it from the respondent's perspective, and compare it to the original blank form to see just how quickly you were able to build it with GetFormly.